Final project overview. Today's goal, students will be able to express all of their knowledge and understanding about their texts, novels, and stories through an academic and expressive final summative project. Homework, read tonight for 30 to 45 minutes. Take 3 to 5 notes while you read. 2, entrance ticket, aka something to think about. How many minutes did you read this week so far? 2, how do I like to be creative? Examples, draw, paint, color, make, sing, record, construct, assemble, build, write. Work time, mini lesson, final project, objective, to create something creative about your book containing ideas about theme, characters, conflict, setting with evidence. Final assignment is summative, 80% weighted. Project options and examples. Book report, classic written summary. Poster, color and make a poster about the story. Cover, draw a new cover for the novel. Poem, write a set of poems. Movie, make a movie about the book. Art, make anything expressive with components of the story. Comic, draw a series of comics. Drawings, draw any components of the story. Painting, paint any components of the story. Essay, write a literature paper. Application, create an app for the novel. Song, sing or record a song about the novel. Podcast, talk and record a podcast about the novel. Advertisement, make an ad selling the book. Board game, construct a board game about the novel. Brochure, make a brochure to include components of the story. Map, create a map containing the places within the story. Play, write a play or scene about the novel. Rewrite, write a different ending or separate section of the novel. Or other, add a new person. Add a person from a different novel. Add a person from a movie you saw. Exit ticket, answer on discussion board. Q1, what type of project will you be making for the ELA final? Why did you choose that style? The name of my book is I will be making, pick one from above for my final project or make up one. I chose this because important dates to remember, June 1 through 4 work days. Well, actually starting today, work days. And June 4th, project due before 11:59 p.m. and June 7th to 10th, gallery walk. Thank you. Have fun coming up with ideas.